record.
Huh?
I just start the record. I forgot about it. Ah,
You forget what?
record.
Recall.
Yes, to record our class. The video in our class. I
Mm.
forgot. Alright, did you see the screenshot?
Yet I can see.
Alright, you see that one? Go to call.
Oh,
Yes. When it turns color green, that's the time you enter the class. Okay?
okay.
When it's color blue, don't click it. But when it's color green, that's when you click it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. All right. So, from scale 1 to 10, how ready you are for your test today?
What?
From 1 to 10, how ready you are? Are you
I don't understand.
the level? You are super ready, not so ready, or just ready?
Super ready.
Super ready. So confident, huh? All right, let me send the Mhm, 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 mhm. 57. All right. Oh no. It's loading.
Oh no.
It's loading. All right. Can you share your screen now?
Okay. Oh, I forget for myself. There.
Yes. Now, let's wait for.
Mhm. Mhm.
Let's start answering in 12:15. I mean 7:15.
7:15.
Yes. Let's have a very quick review. What? Uh-huh. What is the past tense of eat?
I it
Ate.
8.
Very good. What is the past tense of drink?
Drunk.
The past tense of tea.
D
See.
C saw
The past tense of get.
got
Past tense of buy.
ball.
All right. And what are the four types of arts?
Uh, it's photograph, pen, Mosai and uh, Sculator gì đó hả? Pen uh,
It's
Scutlea
sculpture.
Sculpture.
Yes, it is very good. All right. So I think you are very prepared to start your test today. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. So you start in 3, 2,
2,
1,
1,
go.
go.
Page 60. Check up 3. Units 5 and 6. A. Listen and number. Then match. 1,
Go bowling.
Huh? Huh?
2,
What?
Sculpture.
3,
Paint pictures.
4,
Bake cookies.
5,
Feather.
6,
Noodles.
Mm. What did you eat?
Do you know the fruit durian?
Dorian?
Yes.
No.
It's my dinner tonight. It's just a fruit.
Why you don't eat rice?
There's no time to cook because I have work. That's just
Oh.
only fruit.
Mm-hmm.
Continue answering. You're so talkative.
Because, first huh? Huh? What? Huh? I don't know.
You are shocked.
Yes.
That's fine. I'm also like that. The audio just boosh, just started without you knowing that it's already started.
Yes.
All right, you can do it.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Finish. Next, yeah, teacher. Okay. Mm,
Julie,
what, teacher?
Can you please go up a little to letter B?
Okay.
Are you done answering with this one?
Yes.
Okay. Don't move. Are you sure you're done answering this one? Why it's not showing? Just a second. Mm-hmm. Okay, I see. You can continue now. Sorry.
Huh?
You can continue now.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Um, I don't know. Mm-hmm. Juice. Juice. Uh-huh.
Julie,
What is
can you look at our chat box? Your mommy has sent you a message.
Uh-huh.
What did your mom said?
My mom say I go class.
Mm.
Mm, I remember, but I don't remember. Juice. Juice. um. Ed. Uh-huh. What? Um. Hmm. Hmm. Don't have choose. Yes.
Page 61. D. Listen and write. Then act. 1,
What happened?
I lost my pencil case.
2,
Could you carry these bags for me?
Sure, no problem. Mm. Mm-hmm.
Page 61. D. Listen and write. Then act. 1,
What happened? Don't know. I don't know. Mm-hmm. Uh, what happened? What happened? I don't know. Lost. Huh?
Page 62. Skills bonus. A. Listen and read.
Town parade. Yesterday, these children went to see a parade in town. A band played music. Everyone had fun. It was a hot day and the children were thirsty. They drank lemonade. It was delicious. They bought a big red balloon for their little brother. He was very excited. Then they bought some sushi and had a picnic. They took a picture and went home. They were tired but happy.
Mm-hmm.
Page 62. C. Listen and number. 1,
He baked
Yeah.
cookies.
2,
He drank lemonade.
3,
He took a picture of a flower.
4,
They sang a song.
5,
He bought clothes.
6,
He worked on a project.
Mm-hmm. Teacher.
All right, can you go back to letter D? Yes, you see the question. When did you see a parade? Talk about it. So that question, I want you to answer the question. When did you see a parade? You type your answer in our chat box. Okay? But before
Okay.
that, can you please go up, 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 up? I'm going to take a picture. Okay, that part, that part. Go down, 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 down. Yes, that part. Oh, oh, oh. Yes, that part. Okay, thank you. All right, you can now stop sharing your screen.
Okay.
You can answer the question and letter D and type your question in our chat box.
Before class, in there.
Now,
Mm-hmm.
I know it's gonna be easy for you only.
uh-uh. Uh, parade, huh?
We still have a lot of time.
Mm-hmm. Parade. Parade. Mm. Mm. Mm.
All right, so this is how you answer the question. You tell me when you can still remember you see the parade, and the parade you see is the salute the flag. And then you tell me what happened to the parade in the chat
Mm.
box. You type in the chat box what happened in the parade, which is the salute the flag. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good.
Hmm.
All right. Thank you so much. You're so good. You just easily catch up what I have told you to do. Okay. Great job, Julie. All right. So we are good now with doing your test. Oh, Julie, can you do me a favor?
Huh?
Oh, when your mommy was going to ask what happened in the class, why you said that teacher call me again, you said to your mom that teacher didn't rang the Skype to only you said teacher didn't rang the Skype, only she create a room, which is this the class only.
I don't understand.
Ah, that's fine, that's fine, don't bother.
Huh? What did
No
you?
worries, no worries.
What do you
uh,
say?
because your mommy, she thought that there's an internet connection problem with you or with me, that
Mm.
you have not entered the class. She thought that you are not still in the class. So
Oh.
when your mommy will ask why you are not, why does you are like late enter the class, you tell
Oh.
her that teacher didn't
Oh.
ring the Skype. She only make a call by the two of us.
Uh-huh.
Okay? And then that's why you are confused where to click.
Mm.
And then you said teacher send you a picture where to click. Okay?
Mm. Okay.
Yes. So your mommy will not be
Mm.
shocked.
Be shocked.
Be shocked.
My
So
mom
next,
is so scared.
that's fine. That's what our mom do. They just want the best of us.
Uh-huh.
Okay? Yes. Your mommy cares for you. She
Scared.
cares. No
Scared is
scare.
I. Huh?
Care.
Ah, care.
Yeah, she cares. She
She.
cares for you. That's why she wants to know if you are in the good class, teacher is doing good. That's why.
Yeah.
Because your mommy loves you.
My mommy uh cares. My test don't good.
What did you mean?
My mommy is scared. My chest don't good, and I let
You
let
mean Your mommy is scared that you have a small grade,
Yes.
a small score in the test.
Yes. My mommy scared I don't good. I don't great.
You know, our mommies are just really like that. All of the mommy in the world, they
Huh?
really want the best of us. Okay?
Mm.
They want us to have a good score, to have a good grades. When you have a good grades, you will graduate from your study. When you graduate in your study, you will get a beautiful job in the future. When you get a beautiful job, you will have a good life. That's
Good life.
why, yes, that's why your mommy want the best of you. She wants you to have a good score, good grades, so you can graduate in your study and have a good job in the future.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So you always thank you to your mommy because she cares for you. Okay?
But she angry, she angry me always.
Mhm. When your mommy is angry about your test score, you said to your mommy, "Mommy, don't be angry. Sometimes, sometimes they are good and sometimes also bad. But at least I did my best, right? Because
Mm-hmm.
not all the time we are the best. Not all the
No,
time.
my mommy is a woman great. Uh, she don't angry me about score a test in the school. She so mm, mm-hmm. She don't angry me about score. She angry me about I
You don't
don't.
study?
Oh no.
Ah,
Uh, mm, I don't do do about she want.
your mommy will get angry when you don't do what she wants?
Yes.
In what way? Like you want to go outside, but it's raining, and then your mommy said no, just like that?
No, it's granny Granny I don't go out.
Because your mommy don't want you to?
Don't want.
Like she don't want you to go outside?
Now let's
Or
see.
she don't want you to go outside if you don't first do your homework or study. But when you are done your homework and finish your study, she will let you go outside and play. Am I correct?
No.
No? Hmm. Explain it to
See.
me.
See see for me go out. But she want I sweep the floor, mop the floor away. But I don't like this.
You don't say you don't like that because we need to help our mommy. Why? Our mommy, they are tired. They are tired in the work, they are tired in the house, they cook, they clean, they wash our clothes.
My mom is work only. She don't cook because she don't know cook.
That's fine because your mommy is already tired at work. Tired at work. That's why you need to help with the house. You need to help your mommy cleaning the house because your mommy is already tired. So she can give you everything you want. She can have a good money so that she can buy you beautiful dress, beautiful shirt, buy you a great house, food. That's why you don't get angry to your mommy. You need to understand your mommy, okay? You need
But
to
my mommy don't understand me.
mm,
My my mommy example um I do don't not she wants she so angry but she don't sweet with me she don't oh Julie you do not do this but she
yeah, my mommy is also like that. She was like this. Her face is like this. Risha, why didn't you clean the dishes? You clean the dishes now. Mm. When I told my mommy, "Mommy, I want to go out in the evening because I want to go to my friend. Mommy, I want to go out. I want to go to my friend." My mommy is like that. Why are you going outside? It's already evening. No going outside. My mommy is like that because that's what our mom is. Every mommy in the world is like that. They get angry, they scold us. Scold is when they talk like this. Julie, what are you doing? Like that. That is scolding.
But my aunt don't angry me. My aunt so sweet with me. I
Mhm.
so love my aunt.
Because that's our aunt.
Oh what?
Our aunt love us. They are sweet to us. They give us money. They cook food for us. That's our aunt. Our mom is
See
also different.
my aunt so
You're telling bad things to your mom. This is recorded.
my aunt so same my mom. My aunt so same my mom. I example aunt I want to candy. My aunt no candy don't good yum, yum,
Eat.
for you
Mm-hmm.
me yes I sorry I don't eat and my mommy I want to eat candy no candy don't good for you you understand you understand
You're so naughty. I can't. Ay, Julie, you're so naughty. This is recorded. Your mommy will going to see this one.
um
You say you
my
love your mommy. Mm.
mm, my mom is so angry but um my head I love my mommy because my mommy don't angry about the Scott yes it's so
Mm.
great
Yeah.
uh my friend have parents so angry they angry about Scott for my friend
Ay, Julie, I can't move on. She talks about her mommy, about the clock. Ay, Julie, you always thank your mommy because she is not angry to you for being imperfect. When you say about imperfect, it means you do mistake because we are just humans. We are not robot. So that's why we create mistake. And your mommy is not angry because you have create mistake. She wants you to learn and have the best of you. Okay?
Mhm.
All right. No, 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 no.
Sometimes I see my mommy um use phone and watch about uh stu- study cái gì study about sweet with my baby.
Ah, it's like about baby.
Mhm.
And then how do you react?
I I see. I Mom, what do you watch? My mom, go out.
Our mommy is actually like that. Yeah, my
Yeah.
my mommy is also like that. She's watching. You know, my mommy, she love watching Filipina, just like me. We are
Mm.
Filipina. Filipina marrying Americans.
Uh-huh.
Yes, my mom is watching that on Facebook. When I'm going to
Mm.
ask her, "What are you watching?" She's like, "Don't ask. Go, go, go." My mom is like that. She said, "Don't ask. Go, go, go. I'm watching here." So
My
you
mom,
see,
Mom, what do you watch? Go out.
I can't with you, Julie. You're so naughty. Yeah, that's how mothers. That's how our mommy is. But we always put in our heart and our mind that we love them. Okay?
Okay.
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 Mm-hmm. All right.
Mhm.
So before we end, we still have 3 minutes in our class before we end. Do you have any questions?
No question.
No questions. All right. On Saturday, we will have a new topic. And then, before we go to our topic, don't answer your homework on the Saturday, okay? Don't still answer your homework. I will give you homework next week. We will
Ah,
we will start our new topic first on
a new book.
Saturday. Yes. No, new page, not new book. New page. You will start a new page or new lesson on Saturday.
Mm.
And we will have a little test. It's not a test that's like this. This is just next on Saturday, it's a quiz. Just a quiz. But first, we will first talk about the lesson before the quiz. Okay?
Okay.
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 Can you do this one? All right. Um, let's have a review if you can still remember. What is the past tense of play?
Huh?
Past tense of play.
Played.
How about the past tense of make?
Made.
Made.
Made. Made.
Yes, it's made. And how about
Made.
the past tense of take?
Talk.
All right, took.
Took.
Yes. All right. Very good. Okay, Julie, since it's already time and we are done with your test, you're done with your test, correct?
Not sure.
Yes, you're sure. So, do you have any questions?
No question.
All right, I'm going to see you again on Saturday. We will have a new discussion and also a little quiz. All right?
Okay.
Okay, I need to say bye bye for now, Julie. See you on Saturday.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.